Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to System.io quickly and easily. First, log into your System.io account. From the dashboard, click on Settings and then Domains. Click Add Domain and enter the domain name you purchased from Namecheap. We need to add www before domain name. System.io will now display the DNS records you need to add. Keep this page open. Now, open a new tab and log into your Namecheap account. From the left-hand menu, click Domain List, find the domain you want to connect and click Manage. Next, click on the Advanced DNS tab. In System.io, copy the name record provided. Back in Namecheap, scroll down to the Host Record section and click Add New Record. Select Name Record as the record type. Paste the host value from System.io into the host field. Host value is www. Paste the target value from System.io into the value field. Leave the TTL setting on automatic and click the checkmark to save the record. Add another name field in the same way. Once you've added all the required records, return to System.io. DNS changes usually take a few minutes, but in some cases can take up to 24 hours to fully propagate. After verification is complete, your domain will appear as connected inside System.io. That's it. Your Namecheap domain is now connected to System.io. If you're planning to use System.io for your business, you can find my recommended link in the description below. And as a small thank you, anyone who joins through my link will receive my free guide, 100 high-converting email subject lines for affiliate marketing. These proven subject lines can help increase email open rates, get more clicks, and potentially generate more affiliate commissions. Check the description for details. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick System.io tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.